Welcome back to Bike Studio. Today we're taking a deep look at the 2026 Suzuki GN250, a motorcycle that blends classic simplicity with just the right amount of modern refinement. The GN250 has always been known as a no-nonsense, reliable machine, and the 2026 version continues that legacy while feeling more polished and relevant for today's riders. From the first glance, the retro-inspired design stands out with its teardrop fuel tank, round headlamp, chrome accents, and clean body lines that give it a timeless commuter bike appeal. Suzuki hasn't tried to overstyle this bike, and that's exactly what makes it attractive for riders who appreciate classic motorcycles with character. Powering the 2026 Suzuki GN250 is a smooth and dependable 249 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine that focuses more on usable torque than outright speed. This engine delivers calm, predictable power that's perfect for daily city riding and relaxed highway cruising. Throttle response feels smooth and controlled, making it friendly for new riders while still enjoyable for experienced motorcyclists who want an easygoing ride. The 5-speed gearbox is well matched to the engine, offering clean shifts and gearing that keeps the bike comfortable at moderate speeds without feeling stressed. One of the biggest strengths of the GN250 is its riding comfort. The upright seating position, wide handlebars, and well-padded seat make long rides surprisingly enjoyable. Whether you're commuting to work, riding through busy traffic, or enjoying a weekend cruise, the GN250 feels relaxed and confidence-inspiring. The suspension setup is tuned more for comfort than aggression, absorbing road imperfections nicely and keeping the ride stable even on uneven surfaces. This makes it an excellent option for riders in regions where road conditions aren't always perfect. Braking duties on the 2026 GN250 are handled by a front disc and rear drum setup, which may sound basic, but they provide predictable and adequate stopping power for the bike's performance level. Suzuki has focused on balance and safety rather than chasing high-end specs, which fits perfectly with the GN250's purpose. The lightweight frame and manageable dimensions also make the bike easy to handle, especially for riders who prefer a motorcycle that feels natural and unintimidating. Fuel efficiency remains one of the GN250's strongest points. The engine is tuned for economy, making it a budget-friendly choice for daily use. Combined with a decent-sized fuel tank, the bike offers an impressive riding range, reducing the need for frequent fuel stops. Maintenance is also straightforward, another reason why the GN series has remained popular over the years. In conclusion, the 2026 Suzuki GN250 is not about flashy technology or extreme performance. It's about reliability, comfort, and timeless design. For riders looking for a practical commuter, a beginner-friendly motorcycle, or a classic-styled bike that's easy to live with, the GN250 makes a strong case. This is Suzuki staying true to its roots, and for many riders, that's exactly what matters. This is Bike Studio, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle content.